Wine to me is everything. Fermented grape juice, it's not the goal, it's a byproduct. Wine is the place it came from. It's the people who made it. It's the food that people eat with it and the friends they drink it with. It's romance, culture, history, geology, economy, politics, agriculture, all wrapped up into one. Most importantly, wine is about you and what you want from it. Whether you want to know every indigenous grape varietal of Italy or just pick out the right bottle on a Friday night, I'm here to help you sort through it and enjoy the wine experience with you. Because you sure as hell don't need to be wearing a suit to drink wine. Welcome to V is for Vino. Let's watch, learn, and drink. My name's Vince. I'm a certified sommelier and the guy you'll be traveling with. We'll be exploring the world's wine regions and learning about the places where great wine is made. Spoiler alert, it's pretty much everywhere. Welcome to the world-famous Napa Valley. Welcome to the land of Prosecco.
Welcome to Oregon.
Welcome to Sonoma County. Each episode, we'll explore a wine region and its history. This may not be the place where wine began in America, but the Napa Valley is without question the place that put America on the wine map. Paso Robles is part of San Luis Obispo County, which is part of the Central Coast appellation of California. Learn about the grapes made there. Cabernet Sauvignon. It's the classic international grape varietal. But Sauvignon Blanc, everything green under the sun. Meet the people who make the wine.
Well, I was a high school English teacher, and the kids drove me to drink, and I went pro.
My family, my kids grew up here. It's home for us.
We met in a bar.
Okay.
I finally came to terms with that.
And cook dishes that pair perfectly with the wines.
So we're gonna be doing our octopus salad.
Gonna do a pretty simple roasted chanterelle mushroom dish.
Give me your 3 essential steak mistakes.
Number 1 is they let their father cook it, which means it's either blood raw or well done.
We're also going to break down wine topics. Today, we're talking body. Body is one of the 5 major components of wine. Names like Petrus, Haut-Brion, Margaux, Latour may not mean anything to you, but for some winos, it's all they think about. And get to know the culture of the places we visit. All week, I hear spritz.
I know,
What is spritz culture? What is this?
There's 5 main dairy breeds of cows, and my dad had a little bit of everything.
I'm very concerned about the ability for people to be able to afford to live out their dream like I have.
As a bonus, if you want, you can join the V is for Vino Wine Club and get all the wines we drink shipped right to your door, so you can taste right along with us. Like I said, wine is everything. There's no beverage in the world that can transport you to a place and time quite like wine. So travel along with me. Let's watch, learn, and drink. Welcome to V is for Vino.